Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Welcome. Today I am back with the Harry Potter and Sheglam collab. A couple weeks ago I did an unboxing, so if you guys want to check that out, I'll link it down below. But today I'm going to be doing a little first impressions and review everything. I created this whole entire look using all of the products from this collab, so if you guys want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. I am so excited to be finally filming with this. You guys have no idea. If you did not see the unboxing, I will link that down below for you guys. So I just did like complexion so far. I just did foundation, bronzer, and a little bit of concealer and brows. So we're going to start out with eyes, and these are all of the eye products that the collection comes with. You have an eyeshadow palette and then 4 different eyeliners. The eyeshadow palette is the Monsters Book of Monsters, and this is what the inside looks like. Very neutral, which I love. I did describe this more in the unboxing, but today I want to do some swatches because I didn't do any swatches. First shade is Hippogriff, and in the unboxing it had 9 3/4, and it was just like a little spray, so that all went away the second I swatched it. Then we have Limex and Sphinx. Second row is Phoenix, Acromantula, and Troll. I feel like I'm butchering half of these names. I love Harry Potter. I just cannot speak Harry Potter. Some of these words are just out of my comfort zone, I guess you could say. The third row is Niffler, Mooncalf, and Centaur. For the last row we have Jobberknoll, Demiguise, and Grindylow. One thing I have to say about this, and this could just be a me thing, the names of the shadows are very hard to read. I don't know if you could see it on camera, but they are in gold, so hopefully I got some of these names right. I'm going to prime my eyelids using the ColourPop Party Proof Eye Primer, and I'm torn between which shimmer shade I want to use because they're both really pretty. This one was Acromantula, and then this one is Sphinx. I think I'm gonna go with the Acromantula one. Maybe I'll do both. I'm gonna do both. This wouldn't be like a me video if I didn't do a smoky eye, so I'm gonna do a smoky eye of some sort. So first I'm gonna go in with the shade right here, Grindylow. I'm using a Morphe M514 brush, and I'm just gonna really focus this in the crease. This is the darkest brown shade in the palette. Considering this is Sheglam, it's really easy to blend out. I was expecting this to be really hard to blend. Next up, with a Morphe M441, a literal classic brush, I'm going to go in with the shade Mooncalf, and I'm just going to really blend out everything. I think I might just do like a classic 2016 smoky eye. What do you guys think? Like, this used to be my go-to. I'm just taking my powder puff to clean up the edges a little bit. There's a little bit of kickback in the palette. That's not really a huge deal to me. There's 0 fallout, and I use the darkest brown shade, so I really put this palette to the test. But I'm going to go back in with Grindylow and Mooncalf on the same Morphe M441 brush. And I'm just going to blend in small circular motions. I miss doing looks like this. I'm going to start doing them again. Next, I'm going to go in with some NYX glitter glue, and I'm just going to pop that on the eyelid. And then on my ring finger, I'm going to take Acromantula and Sphinx, just mix them together, and I'm gonna tap them on the eye, and oh my god, they are so pretty. That is a really pretty combo. So far I really like this palette. I really like the palette. I think the packaging is absolutely adorable. The shadows are really pretty as well. They're very easy to work with. Like I said, a little kickback, 0 fallout, which is really good. The one thing I am sad about is Hippogriff had the 9 3/4, but it's just like a spray layer thing. But other than that, I really love the palette. Obviously have to use one of the liners, so I did swatch the liners in the unboxing, but they are the colors of the houses. So you have Ravenclaw, Hufflepuff, Slytherin, and Ravenclaw. I have to use Slytherin. This green is just to die for, and I think it is so pretty. I also think the tips of these liners are really cool because they're like a rubber, so I think creating a wing will be really easy. However, I'm just going to do a little baby wing today because I've just been into the whole baby wing thing lately. These are a little chunky. Controlling the product is really easy too because of this rubbery brush. I have to know what house you guys are in if you've ever taken the test. I am a Hufflepuff. So I'm going to let the liner dry for a little bit, and we're going to move on to the rest of my face because we do have a blush and a highlighter. So this is the Happy Birthday Harry blush. It looks just like the cake, the packaging, and then then this is what the blush itself looks like. And then here's a swatch. It's a really pretty light pink shade. I've been loving to apply my blushes with this Alamar complexion brush. It's just a really nice angled brush. So I'm just going to dip into this. Smile. Oh, that is really pigmented. Hopefully it doesn't look ridiculous. I'm sure on camera it doesn't look ridiculous, but I like to add some to my nose. And I also like to really bring it up to underneath my eye because I feel like it really just brightens up the under eye a little bit, and do a little bit on my forehead and my chin. I like the blush. It is just very, very pigmented. I was not prepared and I barely dipped into that. I forgot to do my under eye. I don't know how I forgot to do that. I'm going to take my Morphe M506 brush and Gryffindor and Mooncalf again, and I just like to just run that along my lower lash line to just smoke it out. I just do this all the time and I will never stop doing it. But again, there's no fallout. I mean, there's like one little glitter reflect on my cheek, but that could be from my fingers, honestly. I haven't sat down and actually done my makeup because I've been off, and it feels so nice to just sit down and do my makeup. So this is the highlighter. It is the Golden Snitch highlighter. This is what it looks like inside, and here's a swatch. It's a really, really pretty highlight. Before I like to do highlight, I like to just mist my face with the Mario Badescu facial spray, and then I just like fan it so it can dry a little bit. And then these highlighters, you pretty much just go on like straight to your face. So that's what I'm gonna do. Ooh, that is really, really pretty. I think though I'm gonna go in with my brush just because that's gonna be easier. This is the Sephora Collection Pro Highlight 98 brush, and I'm just gonna like really blend out that highlighter. I like to go above my brow bone, kind of make like a C. The highlighter is gorgeous once you have it all blended out, but it's a really, really, really pretty highlight, and I think it would look good on every skin tone. I'm just gonna do mascara and pop some lashes on, and I'll be back to do the lips. All my batteries died, my camera battery died, and my light battery died. So while I gave it half an hour to just charge a little bit, I added a little bit more green eyeliner because I just wanted a little bit more, and some came off when I curled my eyelashes. And I put on my Kiss Pompadour lashes and some Maybelline Firework mascara. So last up we have lips, and this is the Quidditch Champion lip set. They're so cute. And this, you have a one quaffle and two bludgers, and they're kind of just shaped like an EOS lip balm. It's the same concept as an EOS lip balm. You unscrew the top, and then here is what the lippy looks like. So I'm gonna try out all three because I only did hand swatches. This first shade is Chaser. I'm not a huge fan of how these are so round. They're a little hard to hold. I blotted the shade out a little bit with my finger just to really get it like in the corner. Here is Chaser. It's a really pretty nude. I actually kind of like this on me. Nudes are really hard for me to find because I just feel like they all look weird on my skin tone. This is Keeper. This is Keeper. It's a more cool toned kind of nude. I really like the formula of these. It's just the packaging. I am not a fan of the packaging. And last we have Beater, which is a really pretty like red shade. For this look, I'm gonna put Keeper back on. I'm just gonna apply it to the center of the lip and use my ring finger to like blot it out. Here's the completed look. Products I think you should definitely pick up from this collection are definitely the palette. It's really cute. It's not big and bulky. I thought it was going to be. I showed in my unboxing it's about the same size as a ColourPop palette. It's probably like half an inch bigger. If you love neutrals, I think you will absolutely love this palette. It's great for every day. I also love the highlighter. I think it's really, really pretty and will look good on so many skin tones. I just think that if you're going to get this, use a brush to apply it because it's just the easiest. I think the blush is really, really pretty. Do you need it? No. But if you like Harry Potter and love the packaging, I would say get it. I do think you can skip out on the liners because they aren't very practical colors. If you're into fun makeup looks and adding pops of color to your looks, then yes, definitely go for them. But to me, these are not practical for every day. I like the lipsticks. I just don't love the packaging. I don't know how much I'm going to be grabbing these. If you guys are interested in getting anything from this collection, everything will be linked down below. And the rest of my details on what I use on the rest of my face will also be linked down below. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye!